Okay, I'm following up on our anchors that we use to anchor our 4x8 shooting houses. They're 8 feet off the ground on 8-foot 4x4s. And originally, what we did was we put these ground anchors, augers, into the ground, and I believe they're 36 inches long. You can look at the other videos that we posted, the earlier video. Anyway, I think they're 30 or 36 inches long, and that's the red thing there, the ground anchor. And I just cabled it to that directly, and then used a bar to twist the anchor into the ground a little bit more after I had it cabled, but that just didn't really work that well. It didn't set well with me, so ended up getting on eBay and bought these turnbuckles. You can kind of see the size there. It's a I believe it's a 3/8. Not real sure anyway. Yeah, it's 3/8. It's marked on there. 3/8 turnbuckle. And so then I went to put them on the anchor, and the end of the dang turnbuckle wouldn't fit over the anchor. It was just slightly too small. And I was going to take a grinder and just knock down the inside of that yoke there, but didn't make a whole lot of sense. Just went and bought some 3/8 couplers, whatever you call those. Anyway, so now I have it put back together on all four, and I've tightened down the turnbuckles. I still have to come back and trim off the excess cable from where I had the cable going directly to the anchors, but anyway, just wanted to do a short video showing how we secured these. Now on the cable, I did put a fence staple. It is not all the way into the cable. That was intentional to let the cable move as I tighten the turnbuckle. Put one on each side. And anyway, stay tuned for more videos.